and speaking the first one stage is interaction. इंट्रोडक्शन सही है दस्ता ज़हन की सही है क्या पर इंट्रोडक्शन की मुझे सर सीधी now this is the second part now in Oxford ELT speaking test the first one part is introduction part is expected about the time. If we talk about the time duration, so the examiner is taking 4 to 5 minutes on introduction part. सही ना? Introduction की मुझे सर examiner को सुमरा time रख लिया लगा
4 to 6 या
5 minutes. सही ना? दाची कम दे मुझे सर जब test start की ना दा मुझे सर पर introduction की 4 to 5 minutes रख लिया. सही तो? Now examiner चिकम दे मतलब दी कि तपुसु न मंगाना सके तो introduction की no introduction की रूम मने question चिकम दे examiner टाटा star name tapusu की okay Mr. how can I call you means tata is a senu station मतलब और तेरे my name is Kamil Khan but you can call me Kamil so इधर जमा Kamil Khan name दे खुद तो माता Kamil वेले शे बिया बताते examiner वो okay I am your speaking examiner, like for example he will also mention the name I am Jawad Ahmad for your speaking Oxford ELT examiner. See that? Now I am going to conduct your speaking module, speaking test. So are you ready for that? Yes, I am ready for that. Ready. Rumane question magata na sake ista the identity chicken means sta nama sta the passport tapos okay. Show me your passport, please. Passport photo. Okay. So that is my passport. Okay. You have to just bring your passport near to the camera. Camera thing is there.